Hey Pro Bono Australia crew, it's Claire Desiro here, and I'm excited to be back in your inbox with another video to support our job change series. I head up a training organisation called the Top 5 Movement, and we create speeches and workshops and tools and content and templates for leaders and people in generous and change-making careers, so people just like you. We want to support you to have a bigger impact by being better at what you do, having a stronger mindset and better focus. And we've been doing this for years and have worked with thousands of people, so we feel like we maybe know one or two things that might help. So over this series of videos, we have been sharing lists, different lists and unexpected lists that might support you with your job search. And today we're going to share another one. So what I'm actually going to do is call this the Pomodoro list. Now, the Pomodoro is a productivity and focus technique that is named after the Italian word for tomato, pomodoro. And basically what it is all about is about tackling head on those tasks that you've maybe been putting off or procrastinating about, or maybe half doing while you're doing something else. I know we can all be guilty of that. Or actually even tackling some of those changes that you'd love to make one day in life, but you just feel like you haven't had time. Now, if this is you, don't feel silly. Most of us, in fact, we've been doing some research and most of our readers cite not having enough time as the biggest reason that they don't actually kind of chase their goals and dreams. So this little hack is going to help with that as well. So the Pomodoro technique is just about taking a timer and setting it for 25 minutes. Now the rule is that all you can do is focus on that one task for 25 minutes. So if someone interrupts you, or if you get distracted with something else, if you find yourself scrolling Instagram or opening yet another internet window, then what you do is you start the timer again and you honor that task and try and give it another 25 minutes. Now what happens, or what I find happens with this, is that once you've actually sat down to spend 25 minutes on something, you find more often than not you actually get it done, and you can think, oh, I can't believe I thought that was going to be a big job, or that I'd put it off for this long, because it maybe is actually a lot simpler than you think. Or you maybe already know what it is you need to. The other thing that can happen is that you can get so into it in that 25 minutes that when the timer goes off, you go, well, I'm just going to set that timer again and go around and keep working on this. Now, the kind of idea is that you work for 25 minutes, then you have a 5-minute break and go and do something, grab a cuppa, go to the bathroom, go for a quick walk around the block. But the idea is 25 minutes of focused time on the one task, and it can actually be dynamite. So the list I wanted to suggest to you right today is actually a list of a few things that you know that you've maybe been putting off, or you know would be really valuable in your job search, and I want you to tackle it just 25 minutes at a time. So a few ideas could be, for people that are maybe looking for change but don't know where to start, could be just spend 25 minutes reading through some of the jobs ads here on the Pro Bono Australia newsletter. Set a timer and actually don't just scroll past or half scroll or think you'll look at it later. Actually sit down and click on some links, follow your curiosity, make some notes that jump out from the job ads about things that you know you'd like to do, or you'd maybe like to learn one day, or things that you know that you don't have the qualifications or experience for, but you're starting to see it pop up in a few jobs. Actually spend 25 minutes just collecting some information around what's actually available out there. It could be also spending 25 minutes on putting together another cover letter, or 25 minutes reaching out to people on LinkedIn that you've worked with before that you haven't seen for a while. You can actually do some dynamite stuff in 25 minutes. It's just about picking one thing and sticking with it for that 25-minute session and seeing where it takes you. So it sounds pretty simple, but so is everything that we create. It's really simple but really effective, or any ideas that we share and find from other research out there and share with you. Really simple and effective, so easy to do. In fact, so easy to do that it'd be easy to not do as well, but when you try it out, yeah, amazing things can happen. So have a bit of fun with it. Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes, and let us know how you go.